Hello, welcome back. My name is Navid and this is HyperPix. I'm back with a tutorial of a fabulous text effect. The famous welcome to the famous Las Vegas, Nevada. As you can see, this sign belongs to the beautiful city of Las Vegas and has always been inspirational to designers, especially for casino styles or advertisement works and a lot of other stuff. For example, or actually happy birthday signs. But you can use it wherever you want. But we decided to design this beautiful and even more attractive design and totally editable. The main style has been kept, but you can totally change it. Okay, you can export it to your designs and your projects and your commercial and your personal projects. Okay, let's see how this works with this template. All of the fonts has been provided to you in a separate folder, so you can don't worry about that, but make sure you install them first. Okay, okay, let's go to the template, right click on the, okay, I'm gonna start from the top here. Adjustment folder is for the colorings and the contrasts and textures and vignettes of the design. You can totally change them and modify them however you want, change the variables and get your favorite result. Okay, next one is texture layer. As you can see, is the smoke down there. Next one is like vignettes folder. There's an inner shadow inside of the design. You can modify the opacity of it. Okay, next one is a smoke layer, a smoke folder. As you can see, there is smoke design behind the text. You can change it. Don't make sure that you unlock them before designing them. You can drag them and put them where you want. You can choose Control T and resize it depending on your style. Okay, next one is sparkle layers, sparkle folder. As you can see, there are a couple of sparkles here. You can change them. There's a welcome folder, as you can see. It's this sign. You can modify them and change their size. If you want to add a character, all you gotta do is choose a character in its letter and choose Alt-Shift. You can also remove them, as you can see here. I have 4 letters and we can write them where they want. Where they belonged, I'm sorry. You can edit it. You can write whatever you want. So don't worry about that. Okay, I think it's very totally easy. Next folder, the red folder, there's Las Vegas. It's the main text, as you can see here. I'm going to write whatever I want. I'm going to write Tokyo. I'm also have modular spacing here and have this resized. I can also put the glows where they're supposed to be. Yep. Here we go. You can also Alt plus drag and have more lights in the design. Okay, next one is to the fabulous Nevada folder. As you can see, write whatever you want, one by one. Here we go. I'm gonna put them in the middle. Next one is Nevada. I'm gonna write Japan here. I'm gonna move it around a little bit. Yep. Okay. I'm gonna resize the text with Control T. Totally free and totally easy to use. Okay, you can also have these blue glows and you can put them where you think it's good. Okay. And the text is totally changeable. You can write whatever you want, or your agency or your design. Next one is the sign folder, is the main sign, which contains two parts. As you can see, there is this part here and also the main part. You can drag it around, move it around where you want. You can also duplicate it and have this duplicated. Okay. Next folder is background folder. As you can see, we got smoke folder. There's a city folder. There is palms folder. There's palm trees. You can drag them around. You can have this duplicated. We got a city behind the trees. Also some spotlights. Okay, as you can see, totally editable. There we go. Also, we got sky folder, stars, and also a gradient of pink color, that you can drag it up or down. Okay. And don't forget that this template works on any language. For instance, I have an example here. I think it's Japanese or Korean. Yeah, as you can see here, totally applied to a Korean logo, and it's totally applicable. So no language limit, as you can see, totally editable. If you apply your logo to this design, all you gotta do, for example, I want to put a logo here in front instead of Tokyo here. I want to deactivate it. I want to drag my own logo. I'm going to put the Disneyland logo. I'm gonna have a little bit resized. Okay. From here, we can edit the text. I'll write whatever I want. Disneyland Paris. You can also change the color. Totally easy to change. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this template, and to get this template, all you gotta do is go to hyperpix.net and get this and hundreds of other text effects that will help you with your next projects. Well, thanks for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up and share this with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is Navid, and you're watching HyperPix.